Hello, boys and girls. Miss Calhoun here, and today we are going to read a nonfiction book called Ladybugs. And I can tell this is a nonfiction book because it's a real picture of a real animal or a real insect. On this page is a table of contents, and each number you see is a page of the book. Contents means something that it's filled with. So this book is filled with information about ladybugs. If you look at page 4, it says we're going to meet the ladybug. If you look at page 6 is going to be all about where they live. Page 8 is a bug's life cycle. Page 10 talks about the colorful bodies that ladybugs have. And page 12 is how ladybugs stay safe. Page 14 talks about how they move. Page 16 talks about how they sleep. Page 18 talks about what they eat. Page 20 talks about how they help in our earth. And page 22 are ladybug facts. Page 4, we're meeting the ladybug. Meet the ladybug. Ladybugs are insects. They are a type of small beetle. Ladybugs can be found all around the world. All around the world, ladybugs live anywhere they can find food. Ladybugs are born when they hatch from eggs. When they hatch from eggs, ladybugs look like tiny alligators. Ladybugs have colorful bodies that are covered with spots. The spots are different for each kind of ladybug. Ladybugs make a smell when they're scared. When they get scared, this smell keeps other animals away. Ladybugs can fly with their 2 large wings. They flap their 2 large wings 85 times every second. Ladybugs spend the winter in large groups. In large groups, ladybugs sleep till spring. Ladybugs eat small insects. Eating small insects gives ladybugs everything they need to be healthy. Ladybugs are important in nature. In nature, ladybugs eat insects that feed on plants. Page 22 are all the different facts about ladybugs. The end, boys and girls. Thank you.